Hello. Am I live? Hello. Am I live? Okay, I'm live. So there's no one watching right now. Okay, there's one watching. म एकछिन सुरु गर्छु है म अलि अरूहरूलाई पठाइहाल्छु एकचोटि अलिअलि हेलो हेलो यता अर्को इन्टरनेटमा कनेक्ट भइरहेछ तर कसलाई पठाउने हो र कसो म ठ्याक्क अब 1 मिनटमा सुरु गर्नु पर्ला स्टार्ट गर्न अगाडि एकचोटि क्यामेरा टेस्ट गरिहाल्छु Setup things so now I think I should start starting with them. Hello and welcome to first episode of sorry cool हेरिरहेछ 2 views मात्र छ फेरि स्टार्ट गर्छु है Hello and welcome to the first episode of Inktober UI by your very own Bibhushan Saakha. Today is day 1 of October Inktober, and according to the official Inktober prompt, we have the theme today as Gargoyle. So let's head on and design this user interface. Okay. Here I have my Figma setup. I have set up my Inktober 2022 list, and today I'll be filling the first one. And when I first saw this prompt, I didn't really know what it meant. So Gargoyle is type of animal face or figure that is projected from a building. So it's a type of mythical creature, I guess. So I'll be when I thought about what I should create, I couldn't think of anything better than a puzzle game. So it's a type of puzzle game where we have an image and we swipe and solve the picture. So in all throughout this challenge, I'll be using the frame of iPhone 13 and 13 Pro. So let's set up around 3 of these, or maybe even 4. Let's see. The first one should be the login. No, not login. It's like the first landing screen of games. So landing screen of games. The second one should be the difficulty level. Difficulty level, and the third one should be the puzzle itself. Let's remove this for a while. So let's create a landing screen. So what should be in a landing screen? First of all, I had one background and found a background. Let's first search for stone texture. I'm searching for stone texture, and where is it? Let me just search for a while. There's let's go for any type of stone texture. Okay, I'll be pasting it here. Let's just paste it here outside, and I'll be using this. So this will be the background, kind of. Let's just use this, fill the screen, but above this I'll be using a rectangle. I'll turn it black, opacity to 25%, and I'll also add a background blur. I'll increase this to somewhat like this. I think I should increase the transparency, opacity as well, and this should be about 8, and this about 33. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, so let's use our own gargoyle figure at the top. Now let's create some buttons. The first, there's a rectangle. Let's not keep a filled stroke, white stroke. Round those corners to 25, and then let's keep a text. It says play. Let's group them. Wait, before grouping, let's make sure the text is at the middle and the center of the button, and we'll group these. The button seems a little big, so let's this looks fine. There's play. There should be a high score. Wait. Before jumping into that, let's first try something out. In this rectangle, let's create a fill of 10%, and let's try an effect of background blur, but it should be just let's keep 10. No, yeah, 10 should be fine. And stroke will get to linear, and from this end to this end, and also fill we will do linear, and from this end to this end. Before going further, let's reduce the background blur to 6. Okay, and this is basically the glass morphism. This looks fine, doesn't it? Or should I increase this opacity to 50? Okay, and this looks kind of so the light is coming from upper left side and it's being reflected through this button. Okay, so let's create this component. I'll add this as button 1, and also this as so this will be button stroke, and this will be button BG. Okay, now we can duplicate these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be high score. This will be how to play, and finally an exit button. Let's center these, tidy these up, distribute vertical spacing. Okay, these are correctly placed. And now before going to difficulty level, let's duplicate this, and when we actually click on the play button, let's instead of getting button 1, let's fill it up with pure white 50%, and then increase the size of this whole button. Wait, this pure white is not looking so good, right? So let's go back to button 1, but instead we also add, can't we add another one? No. Unlink this and we increase the opacity. Okay. So we'll prototype this, and when you click on play, we go to the play buffer screen, and will be navigate to smart animate ease in and out 300 millisecond. Okay. And after this we'll directly go to the difficulty level, but not on tap, but after delay of 800 milliseconds. Okay, that's fine. So let's play the screen. Now when I click on play, it expands and yeah, goes to the next screen. Yeah, right. Oh, so we have Felix Sud and Lavender Girl watching. Hello. I'm making a UI application for a puzzle. It's a part of my Inktober UI challenge. And make menu exit and inside menu play high score. Yeah, that's nice idea, but I guess that's fine. Difficulty level. So we have difficulty level. Let's copy these. Copy image this and image 2. Now similar to these, let's copy these as well and remove the prototype design. Let's go to the design menu. Easy, medium, and hard. Now from this difficulty menu, what else can we do in this difficulty level? Or we can get back, go back, and we'll prototype this to going back here. Okay, let's look at this. Play comes here and back goes here. Okay, describe Gargoyle a bit. Gargoyle is here's the definition, but it's simply a mythical creature that protects you from souls and like bad things. So here's the illustration. You might have seen it like stone statues near old buildings in like series or movies somewhere. So it's that. Now I think the main feature of this whole UI should be this puzzle section, right? So the puzzle, let's think about it. Let's take these two for the consistency. Let's take this image, I'll make it big, 300. also make a rectangle of 300 by 300 and match these two. Send the rectangle backward. This image seems a bit small, right? So I'll crop it. Yeah. Wait. How do I? Yeah. Okay. 263 just for making the square. Now let's get it back to 300 by 300, and now it's in shape. Now what I'm trying to do is let's first put the button one and stroke to button stroke and effect to button BG. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do is I'll create a duplicate of this and we'll make this. Now I've masked this creature with the rectangle, and now I'll duplicate this 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now from each of these I'll reduce the wait, we can do this. From each of this mask I'll just take the rectangles 5 6 7 8 9. I'll reduce it to 100 by 100, right? So we'll just name this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and oh yeah, 9's fine. Now from number 2, let's drag this rectangle to the side and just to the point where it just matches. I think it's a little above. Now for number 3, I'll take it to the 3rd position. I guess you're understanding what I'm trying to do. I sliced this whole picture into 9 parts. And now I'm taking each of these to their positions. This is the 7th tile, almost done. It's, yeah, 8th tile. And finally 9th and the last tile. Okay, now that I have broken these, someone knocking at the door. There's no one knocking on the door. Inktober is a kind of challenge, or are you doing on your own? Yeah, Inktober is a design challenge. It's a worldwide design challenge. It was originally started by Jake Parker in, I don't know, like 10 years ago, maybe. and it was originally started to do an ink drawing every day for the 31 days of October. So if you want to know more, you can watch my previous video that was in day 0. That was the introduction of this whole whole challenge theme. So now we have broken this into 9 parts, right? I don't know, I guess I didn't center this one, so let me take all of these, center these. Yeah, now I'll duplicate this, and what I'm going to do is take some of these apart, jumble these up, and then yeah, this looks fine. Now I'll just reinsert these pieces, and now when I prototype this from, oh wait, I forgot to create a button. Button 1, stroke with button stroke, and effect with button BG. Let's round those corners, 25. Yeah, and text should be solve. Let's group these as buttons, and now when I prototype this to this, smart animate, and these are all fine, but let's increase the time to 1 second. And also from easy, we'll go to this. Yeah. Before we go back, let's just for checking for easiness, or let's not do this. Let's just simply, when you click on this, it gets back and smart animate. Okay, so let's test this. Oh, just last one thing, exit button, and when we click on exit, we go back here. Okay. So when you click on play, let's play. Easy. Oh, that was too slow. Easy. Let's look at the settings. Oh, it's 1000. Yeah, this would be fine. When we click on solve, these are arranged in random, not exactly in random because we set it, and when we click it back it gets solved. Solve and click it back. You click on exit. Okay, exit is also very slow, very slow. 300. Easy. Let's not even animate. Instant. Exit. Easy solve. 1000 is also too slow, I guess. So when we click on this, let's just do 800 milliseconds. And when we go back, it's also 800 milliseconds. Now let's look at it. Yeah, this is fine. Play, easy, solve. Okay. Now, what are the other things that should be in a puzzle game? A timer button. Let's create a timer. Design 25 is to 515. And how about if I do the same here? No, not button one. Button one. Let's go button stroke effects button BG. And the timer should be like 0005. The text is too big. Let's keep 30. Center these and keep it in the middle. Yeah. There should also be a timer icon, I guess. So let's just create one. Why not? Not fill, just a stroke of white and a line from the middle to the top. Surround those corners. And also something at the top. Let's group these and scale these down. Do something like this at the top, right? I think I should decrease this. And now we have a timer. Okay, now what's the next thing that's a puzzle game should have? No more steps. No more steps. Let's duplicate this. Reduce the size and duplicate the text. Just 25 steps remaining. And center these and put them in the middle. What's the next thing that these should have? Let me look at some puzzle games. Puzzle games UI. There's a hint. Oh yeah, we can just create a kind of movement tab. This not a text. Rectangle. And round those corners to 25. I guess it's big, so let's do it 50. No, the 50 is too big. Let's do 33 or 40. Yeah, 40 is fine. Center these and option, duplicate this and rotate it to 90 degrees. And I'll just union selection. Fill it with the same, or will it look bad? I guess it's fine. Let's also add no, maybe you can't. Yeah, double is fine. So let's create a line. White, rounded, and then maybe 5, yeah, 5 or 3. Take this to 45 degrees, decrease this, duplicate, and what? It's at the top, right? So duplicate, and then we have, oh wait, can I flip this horizontally? No, I don't know. Yeah, let's just rotate this. And we'll create a union, and with this I'll just put it in the middle. Is one side more than the other? Let's the length? What's the length? 29.7. Yeah, I guess it's the same size. But let's increase the stroke. Let's increase the width of each of them. Oh no, no, we have to go individually. Oh, that's the length, sorry. It's X is, oh, here's the stroke. Yeah, this looks fine. Now just duplicate this and rotate it. Sorry. Rotate it 180 degrees. Duplicate this. Rotate it 90 degrees. Duplicate this. And rotate this 180 degrees. These are all in the same union. Oops. But I guess it's fine. Now let's create some shadows. Duplicate instead of these. Can't we create a shadow with nothing? Or does it have to be something? Does that even make sense? Oh yeah, there's a shadow. I can see the shadow. Let's increase the Y to 40. No, that's too big. 10 and X to 10. Decrease the spread. Increase the blur. White shadow doesn't actually look nice. Let's do 25. Yeah, this looks much better. Where's the rectangle? Yeah, this is the one. Let's create this as a shadow, and in this, let's duplicate this and use shadow. Let's tidy these up horizontally. Now I just want to show the landing screen, the puzzle, and let's name this solve. And solve. my post. So let me just send all of these above and create a frame. Create a frame with 4,000 by 6,000. Okay, that's too big. 600 by 400. No. Okay. I guess this is fine. Yeah. Let's take 3 of these inside this frame. Round these corners to 25 or 50. No. 33. 33 is fine. Let's apply beautiful shadows. Not black. Let's try red, or it should be dark, really dark. Let's increase this. Or give it 25. Okay, this looks fine, right? This really looks fine. Can we copy all of these or create a component? Beautiful shadows. Yes, we can do that. That's nice. Let's change the frame color to something. This looks good. Let's name this Gargoyle puzzle. So enter. No. This was fine. Italiana. Let's do 1600 by 1200. This way we can fit in more. And that's it. Let's add one final text here as 30. Hashtag Inktober UI. Hashtag D1. And that's it. So that's it, guys. This is all for today. What's this frame? Wait, how do I set up this? Nothing. No. So this is the final one. The Gargoyle puzzle. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And I'm in no way a professional, so I'm just learning new things. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.